Welcome to this tutorial, which is all about adjusting things like watercolor textures and photos. So in Canva, you have the option to tweak things slightly. There's no change in color completely, but you can definitely play around with the settings that are available. To do this, you would select the image by clicking on it, go up to Edit Image, scroll down. We have the option of filters, hit See All, and here we have lots of different options. So as you can see, it's a little bit limited in what you can do, but you can adjust things slightly. If you want to go into a little bit more detail with these adjustments, you can click this toggle here and you can adjust the intensity. It's important to know though, when you adjust something and you click off it, those changes are actually applied to the document and you can't reverse it other than undoing it. So you can't go back in and adjust the intensity later. You need to make sure you adjust it when you are actually applying the filter.